Hello everyone and welcome to Bumby. Today is another Throwback Thursday video as we celebrate 1 year here on YouTube on December the 10th, 2018. I wanted to share this video with you how I made these farmhouse signs using all Dollar Tree items. I will show you the technique that I used, and as you can see, I also made several different signs to use for my home and my kitchen as home farmhouse decor. I also want to thank each and one of you, my subscribers, for making this possible, for celebrating this 1 year anniversary here on YouTube. Thank you all so much. Enjoy, guys. So the video that you will be watching now is a video from December the 13th, 2017, as we celebrate 1 year here on YouTube.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Bumby. Today's video is episode 2 of our Merry Christmas series. And what we have for you is for those farmhouse lovers on your list. So let me show you what you'll need to pick up to make this gift. Follow me.
Items needed for this project. 1 picture frame that it's like a wood. Doesn't matter which one it is because we are going to be painting the top of it. 1 chalkboard plaque. 1-inch foam letters. And as you can see, I've done other projects by using these as my stencils. A fork and a knife. Dollar Tree provides 2 for $1. And shoe polish. I have taken shoe polish and made this fork look a little older and not so shiny. You will need chalk paint. I'll be using this creamy white color that I got on clearance at Aldi's grocery store for just $2. Twine, a sandpaper block or sandpaper, a chalk marker, and a brush. You'll be painting your picture frame with the chalk paint or whatever paint you have on hand. As you can see, it does not look perfect, and that's exactly the look that I want. I've already went ahead and added farm and to. This project will be doing farm to table, and we will work on the table together. So you can see how I did that. So once we get all the letters on, we will be placing this chalkboard plaque on the frame with a fork and a knife. We're going to wrap twine around the chalkboard, and we're going to make a twine bow right over here. I'll be using for myself this knife and fork just because I grew up with these utensils, so they bring memory to me. And you can do that if you have old silverware from family members that you like to incorporate. So let's go to the craft room and let's get this project finished. Chalkboard plaque. And we need the word table. So what I'm going to do here is I have 1 finger in between this one and this one. So I'm going to do 1 finger between this one and the word table. So I'm actually going to go down just a little farther down, so when I fill in the rest of the chalk, it looks even. So I'm actually going to start with the letter A right over here. And the reason I'm going to start with the letter A because that is much easier to make sure this turns out straight. So I'm going to leave 1 finger and a little bit. And I'm going to start right here.
where the T is. This T here. So now I'm going to add the T. And now it's just much easier to add the rest of the word, and it'll stay there nice and straight with the rest of your sign. So let me finish putting these letters down, and then I'll come back when it's time to trace them. I have my word table on here. I'm going to go ahead and trace it with my chalk pen. Okay, so we're almost done here tracing. Okay, now I'm going to remove all the letters. You just kind of bring them out. So I'm almost done here filling in the outside area of the letters to make it look like these over here. So now we're ready to put all this together. So I'm going to go ahead and glue twine all the way around the chalkboard paint. As you can see, we finished their farm to table. So let me go ahead and just simply glue the rope to the edge of my sign, and then I'll come back. The finished product. How cute is this? So you can hang this on the wall, or you can go ahead also and place it on your counter with some mason jars and other farmhouse decor. As you can see, by using this technique, I have made some custom signs for my kitchen. Here I made this sign that said fresh eggs is 5 cents. And I just drew a little chicken on there. So there's many other things that you can do by using these foam letters and these chalkboards and twine from the Dollar Tree. Let me show you the pantry. I also made this pantry sign, as you can see. Here's my pantry door. And I think it looks adorable by using exactly the same technique with the foam letters. This part here, I actually used by getting this from my Cricut machine, and I just made a stencil for that.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching another one of our Throwback Thursday videos. I'll leave you now with a little clip of last year's video. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
So that is it. We have reached the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. What are you waiting for? Right over here. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking like right over here.